Who knew you was a little lover boy?
Come here.
Hi.
You better get something good on there, Debbie.
I know, I'm going to send it to Steph.
Go say hi.
Oh,
Come here.
oh, I see.
Go say hi.
Come here.
Look at it smile.
Come here.
Chicken.
Say hi. No, don't eat it.
Come here. Get.
Squeaky boy. Give me drink. Give me drink of that. Give it. Give me drink. Come on.
He'll be doing this for like a good 5 more minutes if you want to.